Hey guys, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Today's Ask Me Anything is about testosterone. I posted a video about this a couple weeks ago. You guys asked the questions, and I'm going to be giving you the answers. Next question is from Robert DeHeer, 1307. He asked, how can I restore hormonal health and balance after stroke? I have some burnout and fatigue as well. Thanks in advance. So yes, a stroke, especially an ischemic one, can disrupt your hormone levels. It affects your neuroendocrine system, so leading to changes in secretions such as growth hormone, testosterone, prolactin, and DHEA, estrogen, and a few of others. So it's not necessarily from the testicles; it's from neurons in your brain. There's nothing really special you can do. All right, you just need to do what I've been telling everyone else on how to increase your testosterone levels. I'll put a link below this video for optimal ways to do it naturally and so forth. You know, the usual stuff. You got to sleep better, exercise. You have to eat well, and then if you want, add in some supplements. Alpha Viral, again, does help with the hormones. Also taking DHEA in your case in the morning, about 25 milligrams will help because you're probably lacking it. And then you might also take another adrenal hormone, pregnenolone, about maybe 10 milligrams at night. So you're having more of an adrenal neuro missing, things are not optimal. Of course, obviously you should speak to your doctor. If you have burnout, you mentioned your burnout and fatigue. What's the cause of it? Is it physical burnout? Is it emotional burnout? And all of that will definitely stress, all right? You have anhedonia and you don't care. So all of that stress and higher cortisol levels will certainly decrease all your other hormones, all your sex hormones, testosterone, estrogen, and adrenal hormones when cortisol levels and stress is up. So you need to optimize and manage that. Again, I'll put links below this video. You go to my blog. We've got tons of videos about reducing stress and increasing testosterone. So please take a look.